picture this: you've crafted a brilliant essay, but there's one crucial element missing: citations. Citations not only give credit to the original authors, but also lend credibility and authority to your work. So let's learn the art of adding citations flawlessly. So here are 3 different citation styles. You've got APA, you've got MLA, and you've got Chicago, and each has its own rules and guidelines. So be sure to know the one that your university prefers. And in this video we will guide you through the basic styles. APA, the American Psychological Association. Now this style is commonly used in social sciences and it follows the author-date format. This is where you include the author's last name and the year of the publication. Remember, consistency is the key. And then you have MLA, the Modern Language Association style, and this is often used in humanities. It uses in-text citations with the author's last name and page number, and don't forget to include a works cited page at the end. And then you have Chicago, and this style is popular with history and art subjects. It uses footnotes and endnotes for in-text citations and includes a bibliography at the end. So now that you know the basics, let's master the arts of using citations. Start by summarizing or paraphrasing information instead of quoting. This allows your voice to shine while still giving credit. Remember to double check your sources to ensure accuracy. Above all, always give credit where credit is due. Proper citations not only prevent plagiarism, but it also demonstrates your academic integrity. So embrace the arts of citations and elevate the quality of your essays. I hope you gained valuable insight into adding citations to your essays. So don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Alternative phrases for, in my opinion. Alternative phrases for, in my opinion.